Hello, friends, I'm back again. Making life easier, making our chores easier, making our activities effective and efficient must be our goal. And today I'll show you how to make easier the day to day task of drying and spreading clothes on a clothesline to dry, especially if your washing machine doesn't dry them up completely, ready to use. This is a pulley system clothesline, rust-proof ceiling, roof-mounted pulley cloth drying with ropes and individual drop-down railer. I've used 4 rails. You can use 6 or 8 rails too, depending on the availability of space.
Friends, we must be having place like this, especially in the corridors of our apartments, flats. This place can be utilized to fix clothing lines, especially when it is difficult to dry clothes outside the windows during the monsoons. Today I will show you how to install an easy hoistable clothing line. These are the types of pipes that are used to fix the clothing line. This is how a roller looks like. Friends, this is how it looks at the end of the installation. Hope you liked it. Thank you.